Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make the crochet mobile case. This is very unique pattern of the mobile cover. Here I have used the tulip flower pattern. For this pattern we will need this type of cotton thread. You can use the this type pure cotton thread, 100% cotton thread, this one, and that one acrylic cotton. You take one green color cotton for leaf and flower color, green or orange, purple or pink color, and one base color, and one 4 mm crochet hook. Let us start. First you take your mobile phone and measure the length and width. This phone's width is 2.5 inch. Start from your base color and make one slip knot. Take foundation chains as per your width size. You check. And then make one more chain and go to the second chain from your hook and make one single crochet. Make one single crochet in the every stitch in this round. This is the last stitch of the first round. Here you make 2 more single crochet and you go to the other side of the same round and make one more single crochet in the next stitch. Three single crochet in the last stitch and then one single crochet in the next stitch, and go to the next stitch and make single crochet. You make one single crochet in the every stitch in this round. This is the last stitch, a very first stitch, this one. Here you make 2 more single crochet and here you join the first stitch. Here you join it with slip stitch. This is the first round, and then you make one chain and go to the next stitch and make one single crochet in the every stitch in the second round. You do not increase any more stitches in this round. You make only one single crochet. You do not increase any stitches. To complete this round, I have completed my second round. Here I have joined it with slip stitch and then you start from one chain. You can use this type of marker in the end point of your every row. Here you join it and make one chain, count as a first single crochet and make one single crochet in the every stitch in this round. You make same things 4 to 5 rounds. Here I have made the same stitch 7th round. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. You make 7 lines of the single crochet. I have completed my 7th row of single crochet and join the green color thread in any stitch. Join it with slip stitch. Make 3 chain, count as a first DC and 1 chain and go to the same stitch and make one double crochet and then skip the next 2 stitches and go to the third stitch and make 1 DC, one chain, one DC in the same space and skip the next 2 stitches, go to the third stitch and make 1 DC, 1 chain, 1 DC in the same stitch. You repeat this leaf pattern in this round. Repeat in this round. Then you start from this side of your stuff and here this is the V stitch pattern. This is the space between 2 DC. Here you insert your hook and attach your flower color thread or yarn and make one slip stitch and make 1 2 chain and make insert wrap your yarn over your hook and insert your hook in the same space and make DC stitch. This is the bubble stitch pattern, so you hold your loop in your hook and wrap your yarn over your hook and insert one more times and make 3 loop in your hook and one more times 4 loops in your hook and it make 1 and make 1 2 chain and go to the next stitch. Go to the next space, you skip the next stitch and go to the space between the 2 DC stitch and repeat the same pattern. 3 loops in your hook, 4 loops in your hook and make it 1 and then 1 2 chain. Go to the next, wrap your yarn over your hook, insert your hook in the space and make 2 loops in your hook, 3 loops in your hook and one more times 4 loops in your hook and make it 1 and make 2 chain and go to the next space, skip the next stitch and go to the next space and make this bubble stitch pattern and you repeat same things, same pattern in this round. You repeat it and then you attach your base color in the any stitch of the previous round and make 1 slip stitch and then make one chain, count as a first single crochet and make 1 single crochet in the every stitch and you repeat 7 times of the single crochet and then you make the same flower pattern, leaf pattern and flower pattern as per your required size. This is the Samsung J7 size mobile cover. Here I have attached one buttons in the top part of my phone cover. Here I have made one loop in the back side, chain 10, I make one loop and here I have attached in one buttons and this is very simple pattern. You can make it and you can change your flower color also, and please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.